basically we are going to solve questions on this session, right now. पुष्कर फोकस कर, इसमें क्वेश्चन से समझ में आ जाएगा थोड़ा थोड़ा, डोंट वरी. ठीक. All right, so now let's go for the question. चलो. Right, so this is the first question we are going to solve. Right. So here what we have to do, nothing but just to correlate. Suppose A is moving in that direction with velocity va, B is moving in this direction with velocity vb. So as a result, it is evident that M will be lifted with velocity vm. Just correlate va, vb and bm. That's the job, nothing else. Okay, try it, everyone, go for it. Pritam.
Sir, 2VB plus VA by 2 equals 2VM.
Okay, fine, we'll check. Very good. Vignesh, show me on the screen. Okay. Okay, Snehita. We'll check. Very good. So you start from here. This is tension T. In this string also T. Here also T. How much here? 2T. Here also 2T. Here also 2T. Here 4T. That's it. Correct, no? Fine. So what can I write? C minus 2T into VB minus T into VA plus 4T into V of M is equal to 0. That's it. Yes, Naita, correct only. So 4VM is equal to 2VB plus VA. This is the relation. That's the answer. Okay, no? Confirm? Okay, Punit, fine. Clear, everyone? Did you get this one? Right? Okay. Dinesh, tell me.
Sir, in this B block, that is not T, sir.
Which one?
Sir, the B side, sir.
2T only, no?
2T, no, sir. How, sir?
Yes.
Can you please?
That's I'm telling, no? You check on the right hand side. Here tension is T.
Yes, sir.
Here is T. Here is T. So how much tension will come here?
2T, sir.
Now this string is only passing over to B, no?
Yes, sir.
So that's why 2T and 2T.
Okay, sir.
Okay, understood?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, right. Chalo, this is the next one. Everyone go for it. Shashi?
Sir, in the previous question, sir, that is a single string.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Likita?
Sir, once you scroll up now, in the previous question, I understood the marking of the tensions,
Huh.
but that once explained that again.
Which one?
After that, after marking the tensions, you solve the question, sir, that one.
This tension and velocity are oppositely directed now.
Yes,
So cos 180 degrees, so minus sign came.
minus 2. Yes, sir.
For A also, tension and velocity oppositely directed, so cos 180 minus sign came.
Yes, sir.
This 4t and Vm are in the same direction, so cos 0 degree.
Yes, sir.
So that's why plus sign came.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right, chalo. Do this one. So basically, if you pull it down, A will move up. They are asking what is the velocity of A in the upward direction. Okay, Atik, very good. We'll check. Just wait for some time. Very good, Atik. Yeah, Likita, tell me. Pritam?
Sorry, sir. I forgot.
1 feet per second.
Lowered
Okay.
my hand.
Okay. Pritam?
1 feet per second, sir.
1 feet per second. Okay.
Second.
Okay, we'll check. Later others do. Okay, Puneet. Ha, fine. Snehita, yeah. Okay, good. Divit, okay. Good. So you take from here. Yes, Likita. Now you got it, na? Confident only? Yeah. So this is T, this is T. This is 2T. This is 2T. This also 2T. It means this is 4T. Job done. So now what I'm going to write? VB is going also minus T into VB plus 4T into VA is equal to 0. Sritan, okay, fine. So BA VA is equal to BB by 4. So 4 by 4, it makes 1 feet per second. Okay, now clear this one. Chale dost, next one. Let me add a page. Vignesh,
Sir, could you show the first problem, please?
first problem.
Yeah,
Just wait.
okay.
First problem is, yeah, I think this is the first problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right?
Okay.
Rohit, this one, you can read the font now. Yeah. Chalo, go for it. Larger bit. Okay. Yeah. Atik, tell me. Atik, tell me.
Sir, 1/4 meter per second.
Okay, Atik, I will check. Very good. All right. Okay, fine. Divit, okay. Right. Okay. Okay. Very good. Yes. Shashi, tell me.
Sir, 1/2 meter per second.
Okay. Pritam.
Sir, 1/4 meter per second. Sir.
Okay, we'll check. Very good. Okay, Bikash, fine. Likita, okay. Shrutik.
1/4, sir. 1/4 meter per second.
Okay, Shrutik, we'll check. Just now we will check. Very good. All of you tried. This is T. 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 Here is 2T. Here also 2T. Here 4T. Correct only 4T. 8T. That's it. So now this is going down means this will move up. So how much is this going to be? Minus T into VA plus 8T into V of E is equal to 0. All right. So V of E is equal to V of A divided by 8. That is equal to 1/4 meter per second. Absolutely correct. Bang on correct. Okay, Snehita. Good. Chalo. Next, which question to pick? Acha, chalo. Let us solve this one. What happened? ఒక్క నిమిషం. It's an easy type. Do it. Very easy. Pritam, tell me.
Sir, 0.
Yes, okay. We'll check. Very good. Okay. Atik beta.
So same sir, 0.
Okay, very good. Vignesh Mama.
0.
Okay. Divit.
Sir, 0, sir.
Yogananda.
0, sir.
Okay, Yogananda, fine. So when everybody is saying 0, it has to be 0. Let me check. T, 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 T. How much is here now? 2T. How much is here? 2T. All right. What they have said, that A is moving downward with how much velocity? 2 meter per second. C is moving up with what velocity? 1 meter per second. Write down the equation. Minus T into 2 plus 2T into VB plus 2T into 1 is equal to 0. Solve. VB is equal to 0. Worthless question. When there is a good question, show respect. When there is a bad question, do not show respect. Yes, correct. Now, next we are going to solve a good question. Yes. Not very difficult, but okay. Okay type. Did we solve this one? No, no. No, I think. Yeah, solve. This is easy, not difficult, but good question. Pritam?
Sir, 4 meter per second square.
Okay. Atik?
So 4 meter per second square.
Divit?
Sir, same, sir. 4 meter per second, sir.
Okay. Chaitanya?
Sorry, I'm unmuted.
Ha, Shashi, tell me.
Sir, 4, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt in the previous question. How velocity of B block can be 0?
It is at rest. Both are moving in the symmetrical direction.
Sir, when we will pull block A down, sir, then both should move up, no, sir.
No guarantee, na. It depends on the. That is what constant is all about, na. So around block B, whichever pulley it is connected, the rope is moving such a way that the pulley is not moving actually.
Okay, sir.
It is possible, very much possible. Bigness Mama.
4 meter per second square.
Okay. Yogananda.
4, sir.
Okay, right.
4 meter per second.
Very good. Very good. Very good, everyone. So what we have to do here? Simply y is given to be t square by 4. So velocity of point A is dy dt, that is t by 2. Acceleration of A is dva dt, that is equal to half meter per second square. Okay, fine, no problem. Now correct. Idi A t t t. How much? 2t. हाँ लिखी था. Okay. 2t 2t. This is, oh wrong, I am considering, sorry. Take this t and t. So this will become 2t and 2t. This will become 4t. This is 4t, 4t. This will become 8t. That's it. So if I consider this moves down, this will move up. So in that case, minus 8t into a of a plus t into a of b is equal to 0. So a of b is going to be 8 into half, that is equal to 4 meter per second square. Okay, Snehita. Right, good. Sritan, tell me.
Sir, can the tensions of the three strings can be same, sir?
Which one? Tell me.
Hello?
Yeah, tell me. Sritan, tell me. I can hear you.
Sir, the tensions of the three strings can be same, sir.
They are light string, obviously. Identical.
Okay.
Atik, tell me.
Sir, the block B will move downwards, sir.
Oh, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Constant is independent of the direction. Okay. Next. Hold on. First, next is an easy type, then a difficult type. Okay, na? Chalo. So first easy, then difficult. See, do it. Amreshwar, tell me.
Sir, can you show previous question? Sir, I had internet problem.
Okay.
You unmuted me.
Okay.
Sir, is
Sorry.
it 1.2 meters per second?
Okay, Atik, I will check. Very good. Pritam,
So I'm getting 0.6, sir.
0.6. We'll check.
Done, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, right. Chalo, everyone, this is easy type. Dinesh, no star counting. Solve it. Chaitanya?
Sir, it is 1.2 meters.
0.4.
Okay, we'll check.
Sir, 1.2 meter per
We are getting 1.2. We'll check.
meter per second.
Okay. Pritam?
Sir, I'm wrong, sir. It's 1.2 only.
Okay. Shashi?
Sir, 1.2 only, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have a general doubt, sir.
What is that doubt?
Sir, if a pulley is connected with 3 strings, sir, and the tension on the pulley is 60, then 2T, 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 tension will be equally distributed on those 3 strings.
Yes.
Means how many strings, that much it will be divided.
Yes, evenly divided.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let us solve. This is T. Here is T. Here is T. Here also T. This is axis 3T. Right? So this is moving leftward. BB. This will go down with VA. So T into VB minus 3T into V of A is equal to 0. Okay. So they are asking V of A. V of A is equal to BB by 3. So answer is 0.4 meter per second. Sorry. Right now, Shivani? Okay. Atik, tell me.
Sir, but it is the same string only, no, sir.
It is not the same string. It is a pivoting point. So
Okay, sir.
this string is finished here. This is a fresh string.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right? Yeah. Sanita madam, Chapandi.
Sir, the two strings are there, no, so then how did you take 3T? In before problem, you took 2T only, no, sir.
Where?
1 minute, sir. I'll show you.
Okay.
In this problem, sir.
In this problem, what I took?
Here you took like this, no, sir.
So there are two strings. That's why I took 2T. Here are three strings. Okati, rendu, moodu.
But three strings are same, no, sir. But
So
here
what?
also same.
In all
1,
three
2,
strings,
3.
T will be applicable, na? Where where 3?
See, 1, 2, 3.
Are they connected to the same pulley?
Oh shit. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sare amma. Okay. Fine. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. हे पुष्कर काले जिंदा है कि नहीं बे? साले आवाज बावाज नहीं दे रहा है. चलो. So let us go for another good question. Where is the question? Yes. Got you. हाँ भाई बोल.
सर फिजिक्स के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते वक्त मरा हुआ भी उठ के बैठ जाएगा.
ऐसा थोड़ी ना है भाई. एक ही तो सब्जेक्ट है जो थोड़ा बहुत रोमांटिक है यार. बाकी तो सारे जितने भी सब्जेक्ट है उसमें कहा जाता है भाई ये होता है तो वो होता है, वो होता है तो ये होता है, ये हो जाएगा तो वो हो जाएगा. कोई नो हाउ नो व्हाई. इधर से इलेक्ट्रॉन उसके सिर पे जाके बैठ गया तो क्यों बैठ गया भाई पता नहीं. इसका कलर होता है ग्रीन, क्यों कलर ग्रीन है पता नहीं, होता है. जोक्स अपार्ट, एवरीथिंग हैज अ रीजन. चले दोस्त, do it everyone. Now this is a good question. Solve it. Very carefully pick from where the string has started and where it is going. बिगनेस मामा
2 meter per second square.
अगर आंसर गलत निकला ना तेरे को जिंदा जला दूंगा मैं.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Atik,
Sir, that string on block is passing from upper pulley or lower pulley or both.
this one,
No, sir. Block A1 string
block A, it is fixed here.
and upper part also.
And this part, this string you are talking about,
Yes, sir.
this string is also fixed here between these 2 points. Arey yaar, between these 2 points it is fixed.
Okay, sir.
Shashi, okay. Shashi, tell me. Arey yaar. Sorry dost, I am doing something and something is happening. Pritam,
Sir, I'm getting 2, sir.
2 only.
Yes, sir.
Pujita madam, 2 meter per second square. Okay. Shashi,
Sir, I also got 2 meter per second square.
so maybe bigness mama is correct only.
Sir. And on the pulley, when it is seen as dark dots, sir, means it is fixed there.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
वो हिंदी में एक मूवी था ना, सुई धागा.
हाँ
वही तो सुई उधर घुस गया. This is T, this is T, 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 T. So how much is here? 2T. Enta 4T. All right. Okay. Puskar, clear? Okay. Right. So what can I write now? Now VB is given to be Shrutik.
Sir, one say how 40, sir.
You
Up to
see, na?
2T.
I will say. Wait.
Okay.
Suppose you take this pulley here. Okay. Now there are 2 sides. This is T and a T. Right? Think about the smaller one here.
Yes, sir.
In its 2 sides also T and T.
Yes, sir.
So this connecting rope, how much tension will generate? 2T.
2T, yes, sir.
So now on this, how much is acting?
Oh,
T
okay.
on both sides and 2T in the middle. So total is 4T.
Okay, got it.
Ante na?
Yes, sir. Ante.
Yeah. Now BB is given to be T square by 2 plus T cube by 6. So acceleration, how much it is coming? T plus T square by 2. So if you put T is equal to 2, acceleration of B is equal to 4 meter per second square. So it is quite clear. So 2T into A of B is equal to 4T into A of A. So A of A is equal to A of B by 2. Bigness mama, very good. 1/4 kacha mango bite for you, pakka. So this is 2 meter per second square. और अगर महंगा गिफ्ट चाहिए पुष्कर से उधारी मांग के ले लेना, बाद में मैं चुकता कर दूंगा. Yes, Ritan, tell me.
Sir, there one more small pulley is there, na sir?
Which one?
Sir,
This one?
no, sir. Beside of that one.
This one? This one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
वो useless है. It is not connected to A ना.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Time up. One more question we can do. Okay, Yogananda, tell
Sir,
me.
do you know this week's syllabus?
Yes, obviously I know.
Sir, do you have it with you?
I will show. In proper time I will show you. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
If I show it today, now people will only concentrate on the syllabus.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so how many questions are done? Which are done? This is done. Before that, anything done? These two are done. Okay. Then these are done. After that, ये पेज कहाँ से आ गया भाई? This is one. So in middle one I got page, untitled page. Remove. Delete. Tongue. Okay. Just last question. I'm not remembering whether I have done it or not. Anyway. Yeah. Chalo, quickly. All right. Tensions are okay, no? Distribution is okay. Match with yourself. What you have done. Correct only, no? Correct. You take this angle to be theta. So this angle is also theta. Correct. From the diagram, quickly tell me what is the net upward tension? 3t cos theta. This is one string, second string, third string. Right? Understood? So how much tension here? 3t cos theta. So directly we'll write 2t into velocity of B is equal to 3t cos theta into velocity of A. Done. So velocity of B is equal to 3 by 2 VA cos theta. So even cos theta value also you can figure out from the given values. It is coming to be y by root under of B square plus y square. So this is BB. Okay, clear? Altaf?
Sir, how 3T, sir?
3 strings. Okati, Rondu, Mudu.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Fine na? Chalo, time up. Bye. Another class is there. Bye. आकाश भाई आज नहीं भाई कल जो होगा कल होगा यार